Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add music or audio to your Canva videos? Canva Mobile provides a variety of audio tracks that you can use to make your videos more engaging and enjoyable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add music to videos in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap video, then choose the design type you want to use. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design, then select elements. The elements panel will open. In the Browse Categories section, find and select Audio. Canva will display different audio tracks that you can use in your video. Tap the audio track you want to add. The audio will be added to your video timeline. You can adjust the audio position and edit it based on your needs. Customize the audio until it matches your video. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to add music to videos in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.